Hey Jared, this is Holden. What's up, man? I told you I was going to send you a video with three things that you can do to increase some traffic to your business and get some more customers in the door. I feel like a lot of times business owners just don't realize how a strong internet presence is super important to getting more traffic to their business. So I usually send out this free plan of attack with three things that people can do, and you can take these three things and implement them yourself. But if by the end of this video you decide that you think that I've got some value and you want to hit me up and send me a message, maybe we can chat. All right, man, well, let's jump right back into this and see what we got going on. The first thing that Google looks at on your website is content. And I can take a look at your website right here. Man, this thing looks pretty nice, actually. You can see that Google wants to have about 1,500 words of content on your homepage so that it can optimize it. You've got on this free tool, I can see that you've got 477 words on your homepage. Falls a little bit short of that 1,500 words. This guy right here, he's your top competitor in Alabama. And in the same tool, I can see that this guy has 1,573 words. So he's got that 1,500 words, but you could just bump that up to 1,600 or 2,000, really blow this guy out of the water. The next thing that Google looks at is something called keywords. Keywords are like right up here when you want to search for something or what people are searching for to find your website. Spray foam insulation, Alabama, spray foam insulators near me, anything like that. What people are searching for are keywords of what Google wants to see inside your website so that they know when someone searches for that to direct them to your website. I can see on the same tool what keywords you have in here, and you've got some good ones, man. You got insulation 25 times, spray foam 24, 23 times, Alabama spray, Birmingham, Alabama, that's great for location, home insulation. Let's look at your competitors over here. He has got a lot of the same ones. He's got foam 51 times, insulation 20 times. He's got them just up there a little bit more, and quite a few more of them like cell spray, foam insulation, cell foam. So those are all keywords that Google is trying to match people searching for them to a specific website. The next thing, if you look here on Google, is this map pack right here. And this is how you get found locally. So the way that you get into this map pack is you have to have your name, address, and phone number of your business listed as many times as possible in different directories. And directories are things like Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, or Facebook, all those things. And you just want to make sure that you have more of those listed than your competitors, and that will get you up in the top here. So when people are searching and they see locally, that you're nearby, your website will pop up right here. The next thing that Google really looks at is something called backlinks. Backlinks are basically, Google's a popularity contest. There's votes shooting around from website to website, and it's basically one website linking to another website to another website. It's like a giant spider web. So if you have a website for a foam insulator supplier who's really well known and renowned, and they're linking from their website to your website, Google's going to recognize that, and it's going to transfer some of the authority from that website to your website and give you some power. And then it will kind of bring you up here in the top of this organic ranking right here. And I have this tool here that kind of shows, it's called Ahrefs, and this pulls analytics from Google. They purchase all this stuff, and it shows me, how many times a specific website is getting traffic organically from Google. So every month, this guy is getting 10 clicks organically, or he's got 45 keywords that people are searching for every month. And this is how many websites are sending those links to his website. This is how many backlinks he's getting, so how many of those votes he's getting from those specific websites. And this over here is just kind of what this Ahrefs has listed as a rank and the strength of this particular website based on their analytics and all the data that they collect. But like I said, this thing's not 100% accurate. They're updating it all the time, but this is kind of the best that we can get to figuring out what Google is looking at and how they're ranking these websites. So let's take a look at your website and put it into this same tool. All right. and see what pops up. So right now, you're showing for 3 keywords, and that's what people are searching for, and you're not getting any organic traffic at all. So people are just, when they search in Google for spray foam Alabama, they're not finding your website organically. They got to find it through other means. You know, what other means you're advertising through, and showing that you have 2 historical backlinks and 1 domain that was referencing to you previously, but right now you have nothing. So that backlink has disappeared. It's not there anymore. So like I said, man, the 3 things that you can do to do this are basically build your content up on your webpage, get those keywords up there, and then you want to get your name, address, and phone number out as many times as possible. And those are in places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Facebook. And then also you want to make sure that you get some backlinks added from other web pages to your web page so you can get that popularity vote. And those 3 things will really just like bring your website up to the top of Google. And like I said, man, if you think I got some value and you want to talk a little bit more about this, see what I can do for you, shoot me a message. And if not, you can take these 3 things and you can implement them yourself, and it'll really start boosting the traffic to your business. The only thing that I ask is that you send me an email back and let me know what you think of this video. All right, man. I appreciate it. Have a good one.